Okay, we're gonna do a little bit of fun here. Here is a Hero of the People 3D printed Helldivers helmet made out of regular PLA. And then here's one made of polycarbonate. Huh. And like maybe a light bruise. Like not even a dent. Ignore that. That's cosmetic. That's what my friend wanted that. But this thing, well, hello, literally just bounced on top of the camera. Yeah, this thing is getting mauled by this helmet. This is absurdly expensive stuff. It's Polymax PLA or Polymax polycarbonate. That's how you say it. And then that's just regular default PLA. Yeah.